Today, you're going to learn how to set up and use classes in QuickBooks Online. Classes are an excellent way to organize your financial information and track performance across different parts of your business, whether it's by department, location, project type, or any category you choose. Once this feature is enabled, you'll gain clearer insights into where your money is coming from and where it's going, helping you make better decisions with confidence. Begin by signing in to QuickBooks Online. When your dashboard appears, select the Settings icon in the top right corner, then click on Account and Settings. Inside this menu, navigate to the Advanced tab. Scroll down until you find the Categories section. This is where you can turn on class tracking. Enable the Track Classes option to activate the feature. QuickBooks will then ask how you prefer to assign classes. You can apply one class to the entire transaction or choose to assign a different class to each line item. Selecting individual line item tracking gives you more flexibility, especially if your transactions involve multiple areas of your business. Once you've chosen the option that fits your workflow, click Save and then Done. Next, you'll create the classes you plan to use. Return to the Settings menu and select All Lists. Click on Classes, then choose New. Enter the class name, whether it represents a department, a project type, or a location, and save it. You can repeat this step to build out your full list of tracking categories. And that's it. You're able to change the setting and add classes in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.